Thank you. Good morning, everybody. We're here to introduce an avenue for financial service companies to access an underbanked sector, well, a sector that we believe is underbanked, 2/3 of which sector globally are SMEs. Partnering with us will open new streams of revenue for your company, which, while having been on the table forever, you've not had real visibility of. And we want to show you how to gain access to those revenue streams. I'm talking about the legal sector. Worth billions in revenue, trust monies, insurance, and other financial services products. We know how the vast majority of these SME law firms operate, old school. And while as a financial institution, you may have access to see the money that flows through their bank accounts, there's a lot missing in respect of insurance, financing, invoice discounting, receivable processing, and the like that financial services can provide to the sector. Many SME law firms have no systems or really old batch processing systems. And there's an opportunity for financial services institutions to partner with us or white label our solution for their law firm clients, enabling financial institutions to have visibility far beyond what's moving through bank accounts. As a financial institution, you probably have thousands of SME law firm clients. How do you know when to talk to your clients about a specific product or service? This way will provide extremely targeted marketing opportunities. So let me show you how Drive Practice, a cloud-based online accounting solution for the legal profession, provides this visibility. When you log into our system, our role-based dashboard gives immediate insight into the business. Here we've logged in as the main lawyer for this particular law firm. The first widget on the left shows the firm's top 10 aged receivables. Looking at the top 10 aged receivables, as a good business lawyer, I would call those clients that had overdue receivables. But we know that many lawyers find it very difficult to collect their outstanding receivables, leaving it instead to a secretary or to their bookkeeper to chase. Here's an opportunity right there for invoice factoring. Marcus will log us in as the accountant now. So not only does our application have deep usability and rich functionality to streamline their time and fee billing and their billing processes to provide the kind of information that you see on the top 10 widget over there, we also provide real-time information in respect of their cash flow, which is the first widget on the left that the accountant sees when he logs in. Now, maybe my accountant for my firm doesn't have a problem chasing debts, but he certainly has a tough time managing the cash flow. The default view that you see on the widget is the forecast for the coming months. But knowing that right now we're on month end, he needs to take a shorter term view. So if we change the view to the coming weeks, the picture doesn't look so good. Because Drive Practice is real time, the firm's management accounts are available real time, so making it quick and easy to make a decision as to whether there's enough cover in the firm to offer them a temporary overdraft facility, or to discuss with them using a merchant facility API to settle their customer invoices. Coming back to our cash flow forecast, the accountant knows what's impacting the cash flow. Their sales tax is due this month, and they've got long outstanding debts. Clicking through to a client on the top 10 aged receivables that the accountant knows that he may be able to coerce into quickly paying his account, the accountant takes a look at the list of invoices that are outstanding, preparing to chat to the client knowledgeably about his account. What he notices is not only are there invoices which are overdue, but there are also pro forma invoices in the list too. We have found many lawyers do this once their turnover reaches the threshold where they're required to register for sales tax. They wait before they approve or finalize pro forma invoices to find out whether the client is going to pay them, so that they know they won't have to fork out the sales tax before they've been paid by the client. There's an opportunity right there for their bankers to offer them invoice discounting. Most of these lawyers don't even know that service type invoices can be discounted. Back on the dashboard, the accountant checks out the Trust Bank account widget, which is on the right-hand side of the cashflow widget. This stacked bar graph shows what's available in trust to settle the outstanding invoices. So maybe they may not require an overdraft facility after all. But what's important is what the trust bank shows in terms of the values that they're storing in trust, as well as the revenues and how they're climbing in the firm, which is on the graph below the trust bank widget. This may indicate an opportunity for their bankers or their insurers to speak to them about whether they have adequate professional indemnity insurance, or whether they have key man policies or income protection policies for the main fee earners in the organization. The trust bank account widget also gives a good indication of how the trust or how that law firm is managing their trust accounts or their money is invested in trust. So is the bulk of their long-term trust money that they hold sitting in a trust investment account, using one of the notice accounts that the banks offer, or is it all just sitting in their ordinary trust account, accruing interest for their regulatory body? This would provide an opportunity for a bank to go back and either win their business in terms of their trust investments, or to be able to use more profitable instruments for the bank and for the law firm's clients. So as a financial institution, providing our solution to your law firm clients as part of your basket of services will give you access to track trends across financial years and aggregate across your sector, which information will make sure that you are able to provide the right products and services at the appropriate time for your law firm clients. We don't have much time to show you much more of our system, but we'd really love to chat to you about how we could work together to unlock the potential for financial services products in this sector. Thank you very much. Please come and visit us at our booth.